In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert euro currency symbol in a document using your keyboard shortcut. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So by default, most computer keyboards do not have euro currency symbol, but the good thing is you can create your own keyboard shortcut. To do this, just go to Word document like I've done so, and then go to insert. From insert, look for this option, symbol, and then under it go to more symbols. Here you need to change the font size to Arial, so I'll go to Arial here. That is the best font style you can use, and then head to subject, and under subject scroll down until you see the option for currency symbols and select here. Now you will be able to see major currency symbols around the world, and among them we have euro symbol here. Click on it, and now remember, we don't want just to insert directly, but we want to create a keyboard shortcut. For that, head to shortcut key, and here you can assign any combination for your euro symbol. For instance, I'll use a combination of Alt+1. So to do that, go and click here and press new shortcut key, and then enter your combination. So I'll just press Alt+1, and now my new shortcut will be inserted. Then you can assign this by clicking on assign, which means this shortcut will have been assigned to this symbol. So I'll confirm by clicking on assign, and then now close everything. So anytime I open a document and press a combination of Alt+1, automatically euro symbol will be inserted in that document with ease. So that's how you can create euro keyboard shortcut on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.